Join me as I dive deep into the world of viruses and challenge myself to explain what they really are in just 5 minutes. Viruses are tiny infectious agents that can cause a variety of diseases. They're incredibly small, measuring in at just a few nanometers in diameter, and they're found just about everywhere, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. Viruses pose a significant challenge to human health. One of the biggest reasons is their ability to mutate and adapt quickly, making it difficult for our immune systems to keep up. This means that even if we develop a treatment or vaccine for a particular virus, it can soon evolve into a new strain that's resistant to our defenses. Another challenge viruses pose is their ability to spread rapidly and silently. Many people can be infected with a virus without even knowing it, which makes it easy for the virus to spread from person to person before symptoms even appear. This is especially true in densely populated areas, where people are in close contact with each other. Viruses can also be highly contagious, even before symptoms appear. This means that people can be spreading the virus without even realizing it, which makes it difficult to track and contain outbreaks. And to make matters worse, viruses can have a huge impact on our daily lives, from closing down schools and businesses, to crippling our healthcare systems. Viruses are made up of a protein coat and a piece of genetic material, either DNA or RNA. They don't have the ability to reproduce on their own, so they hijack the cells of other organisms to do it for them. Once a virus has infected a cell, it releases its genetic material and takes over the cell's machinery to produce more copies of itself. This process is called replication, and it's what allows viruses to spread and cause disease. There are many different types of viruses, each with its own unique characteristics and effects on the body. Some viruses cause mild symptoms, like the common cold, while others can be deadly, like Ebola or HIV. To help illustrate just how real the impact of viruses can be, let's take a look at a dramatic example. The COVID-19 pandemic is a perfect example of just how devastating a virus can be. It spread across the globe in a matter of months, infecting millions of people and causing widespread illness and death. The pandemic also highlighted the importance of global cooperation and scientific research in the face of a viral outbreak. Scientists and healthcare workers from around the world came together to develop vaccines, treatments, and containment strategies, and their efforts ultimately helped to slow the spread of the virus. The COVID-19 pandemic is a powerful reminder of the real-world impact of viruses on society. It's a reminder of just how important it is for us to continue researching and developing new treatments and vaccines to combat these tiny but powerful agents. So, to recap, viruses are tiny infectious agents that can cause a variety of diseases. They pose significant challenges to human health. They have a complex structure and replication process, and they can have a major impact on our daily lives. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or questions about viruses, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest health and science content, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.